Welcome friends. Today the online class is for plus 2 mathematics NCERT syllabus, and we discuss binary operations, a few problems from your text. You are welcome. Here is a question. Show that the binary operation star on Q, the set of rational numbers, given as A star B equals AB by 4 is, show that A star B is 1 commutative, 2 associative, then 3 find the identity element. This is the question. We shall see to it. First part, we have to show that it is commutative. For commutativity, we have to show A star B equals B star A. LHS A star B, that is equal to AB by 4. Now RHS equals B star A, that is equal to BA by 4, that is equal to AB by 4. Product of two rational numbers A and B is AB, which is equal to BA. LHS equals RHS, therefore star is commutative. Commutativity is proved. Now to associativity. For associativity, A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. For A, B, C belongs to Q. If A, B, C are three rational numbers, then for proving associativity, we have to show A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Now LHS, this left hand side is equal to A star B star C, which is equal to AB by 4 star C, that is equal to ABC by 4 divided by 4, that is 60. ABC by 60. Now RHS equals A star B star C, that is equal to A star BC by 4, that is equal to ABC by 60. Here LHS equals RHS, implies star is associative. You got it? Now coming to the third part, identity element. We have to find the identity element. Let E be an element of Q, then if A star E equals E star A equals A, E will be the identity element. If A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A itself, E will be the identity element. Now A star E is equal to E star A is equal to EA by 4. E is equal to A itself. A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A. Now E star A is equal to EA by 4. EA by 4 is equal to A itself. EA is equal to 4A. Therefore, E is equal to 4. Identity element is 4. How? For finding the identity element, we have to ensure whether A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A itself. Now A star E or E star A is equal to EA by 4 or AE by 4. Is equal to A itself. That means EA is equal to 4A. It shows that E is equal to 4. Now I think the problem solved is well explained. I think you got it. For commutativity, we showed A star B is equal to B star A. For associativity, we showed A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. And for identity, if identity element is E, we showed A star E is equal to E star A is equal to EA. Then AE by 4 or EA by 4 is equal to A. Cancelling A or dividing by A on both sides, we get E is equal to 4. Okay, thank you.